Today we're putting the Eufy Robovac 25C to the test. This budget robot vacuum promises clean floors without breaking the bank. But is it worth your money? Let's find out by checking its critical features: navigation, multi-surface cleaning, battery life, and ease of use. Let's get straight into it. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, multi-surface cleaning performance. The Robovac 25C boasts a 1-500 Pascal suction power and excels at picking up dust, debris, and pet hair on hard surfaces like hardwood, tile, and laminate. Its most important pro is its quiet operation because it cleans without creating a loud racket, making it suitable for homes with pets or light sleepers. It handles small debris with ease and outperforms the shark ick when it comes to sucking up debris in crevices. However, it falls short compared to manually operated vacuums, which can provide a more thorough clean in those hard-to-reach areas. The Robovac 25C's triple filter system, including a high-performance filter, works diligently to trap dust and allergens, although it's not a true HEPA filter, so it's not good to clean allergens. Also, it struggles with carpets because of its limited suction power, makes it less effective on deep dirt and pet hair embedded in carpets, especially thicker piles. Also, it requires frequent emptying on carpeted surfaces due to increased hair and debris collection. It has no mopping feature, so can't work for dried stains, and it can't vacuum stairs. Now, moving on to obstacle avoidance and navigation. It has a very great bump sensor navigation, due to which it effectively navigates around furniture and objects using basic bump sensors, preventing collisions and getting stuck on obstacles. It has a very compact design, and its low profile allows it to clean under furniture and tight spaces. But unfortunately, it gets stuck under low furniture because it lacks advanced sensors to detect and avoid low-hanging furniture or tight spaces, potentially getting stuck. Also, it has no mapping or no-go zones, and it cleans in a random pattern, potentially revisiting cleaned areas and lacking the ability to restrict cleaning zones through the app. Pet hair removal. Eufy handles some pet hair, as it can pick up scattered pet hair on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Also, it's easy to maintain because its simple brush design makes it easy to remove tangled pet hair without requiring complex tools. But unfortunately, it is not ideal for heavy shedding, as frequent emptying might be necessary in homes with heavy shedding pets. Also, its limited carpet cleaning ability may struggle with deeply embedded pet hair in thicker carpets. Battery life. Eufy has a decent runtime for small spaces, as it provides around 100 minutes of cleaning in its standard mode on a single charge, which is sufficient for cleaning smaller apartments or single rooms in larger homes. When tackling tougher tasks, the max mode kicks in, reducing the runtime to nearly an hour. This flexibility ensures that the Robovac 25C adapts to different cleaning needs efficiently. It is also fast to recharge. But unfortunately, it provides limited coverage for larger areas. Battery life might not be enough for thorough cleaning of big houses, requiring multiple charging cycles. App support and ease of use. Eufy 25C has a user-friendly app. It's simple and intuitive, allows for scheduling cleaning sessions, and basic remote control functionality. It's easy to set up because it has a quick and straightforward setup process to get the robot running. But unfortunately, it has limited app features, and it lacks advanced features like multi-room cleaning or no-go zones present in pricier models. And the basic remote control. While functional, the included remote might feel unnecessary for users comfortable with the app. But you can use this without Wi-Fi. The package includes various attachments, such as side brushes and a cleaning tool, enhancing its versatility. It's portable, easy to store, and sturdy. However, its recurring costs are somewhat high because you need to replace parts like filters and brushes regularly. It also requires periodic cleaning to maintain optimal performance. The dirt compartment is on the smaller side. There's no sensor to tell you when it's full. Warranty and customer support. Eufy has a standard 1-year warranty. It provides basic coverage for manufacturer defects. It also offers 30-day money-back guarantee. But unfortunately, it got mixed customer responses. While some users report good customer support experiences, others mention difficulty reaching support or getting resolutions. So, should you buy it? If you're looking for a basic robot vacuum for hard floors on a tight budget, the Eufy Robovac 25C is worth considering. But for deeper cleaning, pet hair, or larger spaces, you might want to look for a model with more power and features, which you'll find in our latest Roborock comparison here.